right, now we're going to mix the pie crust today, okay? So I'm putting in my 180 grams of flour into my food processor. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and I rechecked the measurements on my butter and shortening. So I have 85 grams of butter. I'm going to add those in. You're going to be amazed at how quick this goes. Hold my hand over the thing. I'm going to go 6 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Now I'm going to add the shortening. There's 30 grams of shortening right here. Add that in last. Drop it in the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will do. Now, all of that just came out of the freezer, so it's ice cold. It's important that you work with ice cold materials. So now I need to add enough water to hold the crust together. And I've been finding today 7 tablespoons works. It's usually between 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm just going to put a little bit because I think one of mine comes short. The amount of water is very critical, okay? It takes a little bit of trial and error to figure it out. But when I reach in here and I squeeze, you see that my dough starts to come together to form a ball. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to dump it on my piece of saran wrap. Whoops. Try not to let it go on the floor. You have to clean the floor. But I have Charlotte and she'll do that for me. Scrape out the rest. Be careful of the blade. You don't want to cut yourself. And I take the saran wrap. Oops. And I'm just going to twist it to enclose my dough in here. And I find that when I do this, all the dough kind of just congeals and comes together in a little ball. I smash the little ball so that it's flat like a disc. It should be staying together really nicely. Now this one is not staying together as nice as I would like. So what I am going to do, these things happen, is I'm going to add a little bit more water to this, just like a teaspoon. Whoops. Just going to sprinkle on top. Hopefully that will be enough. You really shouldn't have all that cracking that I've got going on in this one. I'm not sure what that's about. Of course, when you're making a video, that's the one that's going to cause difficulty. You can see it looks really nice on the other side. It's beautiful right there. And I think it's fine now. And so I'm going to add it to my pile in my refrigerator where it's going to rest and chill until we roll out the dough. And there's my little pile waiting to be pies. As many apple pies as you desire. That's all for now. Later on we'll do some dough rolling.